guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Twinkle and I hope you're subscribed to my channel below. So today's video, as you already know by the title, is about the things that I've ordered from Nykaa.
And now I was planning to make a video on this since last 2 weeks, but the package got delivered right now. So yeah, I thought of showing it in front of you guys. And a lot of things that I ordered is some products are those which I wanted it because I was running out of stock and I had to repurchase it as soon as possible. Whereas some products, actually many products are those which I don't want it, I don't need it, but I bought it because I don't know why. So
without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So now you guys can see I have 3 big packets in front of me. So let's open it. Okay, now this is the first product. This is a Lip Crush Macron Lip Balm from Nykaa. Now this is a repurchase thing because I have been using this since a very long time now because I need this lip balm for everyday moisturization of my lip. So yeah, I was just running out of stock, so I had to repurchase it.
It's amazing the way it smells. It's amazing, but if you want a tinted lip balm, it's not a tinted lip balm. So yeah, this was a repurchase item of me.
And this costs for around 250, I guess. Yeah. Now the second product is this is actually lip sleeping mask from Laneige. Now I have been now this is also a repurchase order because I have been using this not so long, but yeah, I have been using this before and I really love this product.
Because when you apply this at night and you wake up tomorrow morning, it's like the lips automatically turns big and makes it more fluffy and soft. So I love this product personally. I'll show you the packaging of this, but guys, this is really costly, so make sure you buy a small thing if you want to try, because I have got this 8 grams for around 500. Now this is the inside packaging that it looks like. This smells amazing. So yeah, this was the second product. Now oh yeah, Nykaa is very cute to send me this thank you card. Oh, welcome Nykaa. So now this box is empty.
Let's go with the second one.
Six and a half hours later. 2,000 years later.
Thank God.
Okay, third is this. This is from Faces Canada. This is weightless matte finish foundation. Now
I haven't used this product before. Like I haven't bought this before. I haven't bought this product before, but I have used it once or twice now. And the main reason behind this for buying is because this is a very small packet and I wanted something really small to keep it in my bag because I travel all day long. So guys, if you want me to shoot a video on what's in my bag, please let me know in the comment section below. So this is a very small packet and I have used this before. This gives an amazing coverage and also blends very easily and it does not feel any weight on your skin. So this is actually weightless. So if you also want to carry a small tube of foundations in your bag, you can go for this. This is amazing and this does not cost too much. This was for like $1.99. So instead of carrying those big foundation, I prefer these. So yeah, I had to buy this.
my fourth product is this. Now guys, I haven't used this before. This is Faces Canada's Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer. Now I haven't used this before, but I've heard a lot about this. So let's see. And
One more thing that convinced me for buying this is the brand Faces, because I have used a lot of products of Faces and they have been amazing. So I guess this is also going to work out good. So I'm super excited to use this.
and this costs for around $649 and is of 100 ml. Now next is this Nykaa Prep Me Up. Now this is the product I'm something obsessed with and I just can't let it go out of stock because whenever it's about to end I repurchase it before because I'm so obsessed with this product. I just love this. Since the time I've got my hands into this primer, I haven't switched it
To any other primer. I really love the thing and the packaging and everything, and it's super easy to carry as well. So yeah, this was a repurchase item and this is amazing primer.
Now next is Yeah, so these are sheet masks. Now I have a special obsession with sheet masks.
Now I have used some of them, but I never used all of it. I have used 2 to 3 sheet masks of these, but I wanted to try it all. So I got 10. Each costs me 100, but in the offer I got it for around 500. So if you buy 10 sheets, you will get 5 for free.
Oh my God! Wow!
So let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Now is the last packaging we're opening up.
So the next product is this L'Oreal True Match Mineral Skin Improving Foundation. Now I haven't ever tried this, nor have I heard about this, but I really wanted to try this because
When I saw it in the suggestion part, I found that it is something interesting. I wanted to try and see how it turns out, because this is not the liquidy foundation that we use. This is in the form of a powder. So I wanted to see how this turns out. So let me see, let me try, and then I'll tell you how it works.
now this cost me for around 1215 rupees. I hope this is worth it. Now this is the Wow Aloe Vera Gel.
This is again a product that I've been using since a very long time. This is a repurchase order. Now I have brought this a long one because I use aloe vera gels a lot. So, and I personally love this because this is not at all scented, not at all colored, and this is 99% pure aloe vera gel. This gives you 250 ml, and for pricing it is 449. I really love this aloe vera gel. I've used a lot of aloe vera gel, but this is personally my favorite. So yeah. Now the products that are coming, those are a set of a shower pack. Now Nykaa's Wonderlust Cherry Blossom. The reason behind getting all of these is because I had bought one part of the set, that is the mist, and I just love it. The fragrance, the long stay is so amazing that I wanted to buy all of it. I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna finish this up, but I bought it because I wanted to try it.
So yeah, first comes this Wonderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Lotion. Now this is a very smooth, and I hope this gives an amazing fragrance and long stays.
Because I've heard a lot about this, that it moisturizes your skin all day long, and it also gives an amazing fragrance. So I really wanted a lotion that would stay long.
So let's see if this works out to be the good one. Second is this Wonderlust Cherry Blossom Body Milk. Now there's hardly any difference between the two, but the only difference is that that's in a cream form and this is a liquidy form. Now the only reason for me to buy this is super easy to apply. Just spray it and you massage it. So this was super easy to apply, so this was the main reason to convince me for buying this. So yeah. Third is body butter, Wonderlust body butter. Now these
are all from the lotions, creams and etc. But for the butter thing, I have heard a lot about it, that it is very soft and it makes your skin really plumpy. So I also wanted to buy this because if I was buying the entire set, I didn't wanted to nominate this out. So yeah, I bought this as well. Now if you guys are planning to buy it separately, I'll tell you the price for this. This is for around 450 if you buy it separately. This was for around 450 again, and this cost me 550.
Second is the Wonderlust body scrub. Now I wanted to try this because I have heard it has a very fine granules and it opens up the pores. So let's see how this works out. And this cost me for around, where is the price? Oh, this is for 350. Now last is Wonderlust Shower Gel. I have used this before. I have used it a long back because my mom had got it for me. Yeah, I don't love it, but I like this product. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite product and what you will be going to buy. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!